Hi, Phil Swift here. This is Flex Seal Power Putty. Power Putty can instantly stop the toughest leaks. It has all the incredible sealing power of Flex Seal right in the palm of your hand.
When big storms are coming, grab Power Putty. It forms an instant waterproof barrier that blocks out driving wind and rain. It's removable and reusable. And when you need a fast emergency repair, don't panic. Power Putty to the rescue.
Flex Seal Power Putty comes in long, wide strips, so you can cut it to just about any size, making it perfect for sealing windows, doors, tracks, and sliders. Plus, you can mold it and shape it to take on just about any form. Power Putty has excellent adhesion and sticks to virtually everything, except your hands. So whether it's brick, PVC, wood, or metal, once it's on, it holds on tight, even underwater.
Mold and shape Power Putty into an instant waterproof gasket. From installing a kitchen sink to replacing a toilet, it creates a flexible waterproof seal that can be trimmed for a perfectly clean look.
Right out of the tub, Power Putty is good to go. Just shape it, stick it, and seal it. And because it stays so flexible, you can push it deep in the large cracks, gaps, and holes. It seals out air, water, and moisture. Plus, Power Putty, it doesn't harden or dry out, so it's reusable. You can store it away for another day.
Power Putty is perfect for seasonal sealing. Keep cold drafts out and keep the AC in.
And check this out. Power Putty can instantly fill large gaps, cracks, and holes. It stops water dead in its tracks. Plus, it can be removed and repositioned, so you can use it again and again.
Quickly seal gaps in AC ductwork to prevent air loss. Help stop rugs from sliding with a no-slip grip.
To show you the incredible sealing power of Power Putty, oh boy! Hold on! This is it! Now that's a lot of damage.
And they're gonna seal every hole using only the incredible sealing power of Power Putty.
Power Putty sealed every hole,
It instantly seals out the elements.
and the inside is completely dry. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Get Flex Seal Power Putty because it works.